First, open production system. Select the required source materials in raw material specification. Right-click, choose raw material. Selection of material for actual production. The length, width, thickness are set according to the actual size of the raw material used. If it don't have the raw material you need, you can right-click and new raw. It can be entered manually. If you don't want this line, you can select this row by click on the origin. After right-click, delete this row. After setting up the raw material in both sides, right-click, import product information. Find the folder exported in the design. Import the XM file. You can import the one file, this one or this one, or you can import all files. In this quantity, if this cabinet wants to be mass-produced, for example, this cabinet wants to be produced two identical cabinets at the same time. In this quantity, change 1 to 2. Left-click, select drop-down. Change everything that belongs to this cabinet to 2. So this cabinet can produce two identical ones at the same time. Click the column name. It can be ascending or descending. Descending. If some boards don't want to be typesetting, you can select this row by clicking on the original. Right-click, delete this row. in the green. It can be set to always green or all no green. After setting up calculation, upon completion of optimization, in optimization interface, left-click, you can see the layout of this board. And then generate G-code. You can set up the machine in CNC control. Finally, click Enter. Create a new folder in the position. Completed the export. To view the export file, it has a CD file and a NC file. NC file is used in processing and put on the cutting machine. Copy it to the mobile hard disk and then copy to the machine can be processed and produced.